Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 12 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with the fastest way. With the secret code, we have to open the dialer and enter the code, which is *##06#. And as you can see at the very bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way through the settings, so it will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work or you will forget about it. So let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Device. Then let's scroll down again and tap on the status. Now let's scroll down, and as you can see right here, we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.